Good morning, everyone. It's the next morning, the 21st, Sunday, 9/17. I turned it on around 9 o'clock because it showed busy. I passed up a couple orders that were really low, $3, but we got one for $7.50. So we're going to McDonald's, then we're going to show you what house we're going to. Let's go. All right, since I already know we're closed, what you're gonna do is hit exit,
turn right, then turn left,
and then it's gonna give you the next the next directions. Okay, here's the $7.50 for this order. You're gonna hit arrived at store. It says if you have a stock order, pick up the nom. No, I don't have one. So I hit arrived at store, and there's the order number and the name.
So he's going inside with the phone to show them the order. And now we wait for him to come back. There he goes. He's coming back with the order. And now to the next step.
All right, we got the order. Let's head to the address now. Okay. Directions.
head northwest toward US 1.
So there's the order pickup.
We're going north, right?
Yeah. We're 6 minutes away, 2.8 miles away. Pretty much you tell them that order number when you get in there, the name, they confirm it, and then they give it to you and you're on your way.
Got to the address. He's going in to make the delivery. He texted the customer, told them we were here. Okay, he just did the drop off. He gave it to the customer directly, and now he's coming back. There's a dog. So he's trying to hurry up. All right, and he's back.
You got the dog?
I got the dog.
I say, I wonder why they send a text when it's a long driveway, because I work for a courier service, so I already kind of know what to look for when it's a long driveway. So I seen the little pet bed there, so I said they probably got a dog. Oh, go home. Oh, he had to drop a deuce. And so yeah, so I seen the dog and I started walking back in case I need to hit the gate or something like that. Right, you could tell the dog was kind of didn't want no problems. So we got DoorDash pay was $3. Customer tipped me $4.50, so the total was $7.50. All right, let's see what we get next. All right, guys, we got a $6.25 for this order at a Dunkin' Donuts. So we're gonna head over there and see where our next location is. See you guys when we get there.
We just got to Dunkin' Donuts for our second dash order. So he's gonna go pick it up. And he's got the order. And now he's coming back. There he is. Pulling a light.
They're behind, like sitting there. All right, so we got the order. Now we're going to the house for the $6.25.
Okay, where are we going?
We're gonna go.
Which way do I go? That way or that way?
Head north.
Let's go that way.
See you at the house.
So we just got to the address, and the customer has requested that he drop it off at the door. So no contact, which is what he's doing. You're gonna take a photo. And he's coming back. And there he is. Complete.
We gone.
I wonder if there's a way out that way.
All right, so the base pay on this order was $3.75. The customer tipped me $2.50.
Nope.
So the total was, yeah, you got it. Go straight. See it? You got to go straight. All right. All right, guys. It was less than 3 minutes, and we happened to park next to a restaurant here, like just to park and wait for an order, and we got one at this restaurant.
So I'm gonna park here and go.
Park there.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah, park there backwards.
Yeah.
Let's see how this goes. Literally arrives soon. exit. This is walk into the store and pick the order up. Okay. And this was gonna be for $6.50. Casavana.
All right, so we're at Casavana, and he just went in and wait for him to come back out. He's right in the front, so maybe the orders are like literally staged right there. So he's back. He's got the order in hand. Oh, here, put it here.
I'm just gonna hold it. I don't want to forget it. All right, so we're gonna hit confirm pickup. Confirm, and let's go.
All right, careful. All right, so we are now pulling up
To
Miguelito's Barbershop.
Suite 23.
Oh, baby parking.
It's all right. We ain't gonna be there long. And we're gonna ask for Omar.
He's going to ask for Omar. There he goes to leave him the order. All right, he's back. We're dropping it off.
Got it. We got it. We got it. So today we're at $20.25. $3.50 base pay. Customer tip $3 for a total of $6.50. Let's see what's next, guys. We're so excited.
So excited. All the way around.
All right, guys. We got an order right behind our house at Panera for $6.50. So we're heading there right now. Hit exit. So like I said, this order is gonna be for $6.50. Pick up by 11:19. It's 11:13. Like I said, we're there in no time because we live right here. Pick up rack inside.
Oh yeah, you know where that's at, right, baby? There he is with the order.
So on Panera, you gotta do get the drink, whatever drink they say, and I got a straw for them.
Okay, so you filled it.
Yeah, confirm pickup. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Head northeast.
Okay, so we've arrived to the address. The customer has requested that he leave the order at the door for contactless pickup. Or what, contactless delivery. Takes his photo. And he's back.
All right, so we did base pay of $3.50, tip $3, total out to $6.50. So far, we're at $26.75. All right, guys, on our way home, we actually were we were on this road, and we're going like 425 yards from where we're at. Yeah. 425 yards from where we're at for $6 something.
In 600 feet, turn left.
For $7.25, sorry. So we're heading over there now. Literally right there. Wendy's, here we go. Here we go.
Pick up for Doordash?
What name?
Lupe.
Lupe.
Second window.
Thank you.
Alright, so it says confirm customer name and check for drinks. If lobby is closed, please use drive-through, which the drive-through, the lobby is closed. So we're going through the drive-through.
So it's an apartment building. So this was our first one where we had to look for the numbers. We found it. He's walking over. And he's being nice. He usually runs in the opposite direction when he sees a dog. And he's going over there to deliver. Alrighty, so he's walking back. There There he is. There's the Dasher.
All right. Seen that dog try to get at me?
I said that on the camera. I said, usually runs in the opposite door. He like it'd be nice.
So we got base pay, DoorDash pay $5.25, customer tip $2, and total $7.25. So today we did $34. And we're gonna call it a day for today. And I'll give you an update how much we made tomorrow. I think they pay us tomorrow for the 2 days.